tidur. Tak tidur ke tu?
Never do live.
On live, babe. Still holding? Yes, I am still holding. Good evening, boss. Will you be holding till 90? I will try my best, Samuel. Right, I will try my best. I have some entries on top here which isn't that nice. I might consider closing these entries first. Right, but the ones at the bottom I have decent enough layers, so I might consider holding that. Did you write the TP correct in the channel? Wait, you asking me like that, you making me doubt, bro. 26. Oh my god. My goodness, bro, I'm so sorry, bro. It's 2.5, bro, not 2.6. Hey. Oh well. Bloopers, 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 bloopers. Hello Darshan. Hi. Welcome in guys, joining the stream. Well, we had a rough December last year, but I believe this year we will get it back. Wayne, my personal opinion on December is I'm about to be a little bit passive on the month of December. Alright, I may focus more on quality than quantity. So we may take lesser trades in terms of magnitude of trades, but we will have a lot of time learning together. Right, so I'm gonna focus more, the month of December more onto the learning and lesser onto the aggressive trading. So if we pick only handful setups and real quality setups, I believe that way our win rate will be pretty high. What's my TP for this setup, guys? I have a pretty unrealistic TP for now, right? What may seem like an unrealistic TP for now, which is at 2590, right? It's all over here, which means that I'm expecting price to pump another 200 pips from here. So from now, since we've not yet gotten a breakout on H1, it does seem to be a little bit unrealistic, but the moment price actually can show me a break above this key area over here, right? This is basically like the last level of resistance, which is basically the reason why price fell from here and rejected from here. But I do expect this level of resistance or this supply area that we have formed over here to be broken. If we can break that, then 2589, 2590 may not be as unrealistic already. Okay, so we can scale out our positions gradually, right? Which means that maybe like for me on my end right now, I'm planning to secure my highest positions maybe at our TP1, maybe 2572 or maybe 2574, somewhere there. I will scale out a fair share of maybe 50% of my positions, and then the rest of it, guys, we will try. Like I said, I will try my best to hold all the way until 2590. We do have a high impact news later at 9:30, which is the core retail sales. That will bring in a lot of volume into the market. So if we are right, if our trend today is right, and if we are expected to get these buys, then the reward that we are about to be getting on the trade is very, very high. So I want to capitalize on that, but I also want to play it safe since it's the last day of the month and we didn't have the best of trading days last night. Right? We had a lot of winning setups, so we didn't take winners. I don't want it to repeat tonight, so we are already in a winning setup right now. Let's make sure that we are able to cash in our wins for this setup. Right? So regardless if it is a 50 pips win or if it's a 200 pips win, I would like to say that on Friday we'll just take a win as a win. Okay? We'll just take a win as a win. Right, so right now, guys, what I'm about to do is I'm about to close my highest entries over here. Oh, sorry. Right, so my highest entries over here is at 69, so I'm going to close that. Right, so all entries at 69, 68.5, anywhere around the areas I have basically secured, and I'm going to close the profits, which is about 20 pips profit. Alright, and I will be leaving my layers at 67 to 66. Right, 67 to 66, we'll leave that, and I will see how this can run tonight. So I have about 0.8 committed, I think. Right, 0.8 for this setup. Jay, are you planning to do Bitcoin setups today? We'll see. Alright, we'll see when the news is out. We'll focus on gold first. I don't want to shift or split focus too many times or too many different places. So we'll focus on gold first. We see if gold is respectful tonight. If it is respectful, then we'll just do fully on gold, because if we want to trade Bitcoin, but we need to trade it on the right brokerage. So I got to take some time to explain to you guys all of that. What broker to use, how do we enter, what lot size to use. It's a bit different compared to gold in terms of risk management, but analysis perspective, it's relatively the same. Got the trade at 66. What a setup, G. Beautiful, Milan. Right now I want you guys to try and see. Okay, I'm also in this trade together with you guys. I'm also trying my best to see if I can hold this, but we are up about 40, around 40 to 50 pips right now. So setting your break evens would not hurt, right? If you want to set your break evens, that means you want to bring your SL to BE, that would not hurt. At least that way we safeguard our position. G, based on Forex Factory, they forecast USD weak, but Halloween just passed, and based on my understanding, retail sales should be good for USD. If you want to put Halloween on into this, then I also wouldn't be able to provide much of an input to you, bro. I don't I don't really know the depth of how that will impact the markets. All I know is that yes, they are forecasting a weaker USD trade, okay, because actual greater than forecast is usually good. They are expecting the forecasted data to be lesser than the previous data, which is at 0.3, 0.3 equally, right? And the previous data was at 0.5 and 0.4 equally. So a weak USD would be nice for gold, for us to get the buys all the way up to 2590. If that takes place, it will be very, very nice for us to get a very decent setup. But I have no input, bro. I'm really sorry. Right, Forex Shadow Hunter, I don't have any inputs in terms of how that may impact. Boss, can you see gold M1? Gold M1. Okay. Right, this is gold on the M1 time frame. Every Friday Halloween for gold, bro. Just wait. Great start to take highest layers, now holding 67 entries. Yes, beautiful. That's the way, Hazim. Right, that's the way. That's the reason equal low created at 65.7. M1 equal lows created at 65. Yes, correct. Around this area here. Correct. Yeah, relatively around equal lows lah. If you want to take precise means, maybe not. Yeah, but yeah, 65.6, 65.7 there. Which could sweep for re-entry. Yeah, it could. Right, it could. Definitely it could. If price, that is if price wants to come down to manipulate lah. Right? Which means if the news is a mixed. So if you get a mixed data news, then that's definitely a potential that we could see happening in the markets. Right? Because we do have a M5 level of demand below here. So Ken, whatever you're suggesting, it could be a potential. You're not wrong. When would be the seminar? We're supposed to start this today, guys, but there's additional plans that I've just done for you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys are going to love it. So I'm about to be kickstarting this whole thing on Monday lah, right? Because I need at least 2 to 3 days to wrap up whatever I'm wrapping up for you guys right now. But stay tuned, you're going to love it. Cool, DG. Planning to do, what's your TP for this setup? Like I said earlier, my TP is at an unrealistic level, which is at 2590. It's about 200 pips from current level. We want to make sure it becomes a realistic TP. That means we need to wait for a breakout. Right, so for now, you guys take your 50 pips, you guys take your 60 pips, secure some partials, and then you guys set BE, and then we hold the rest. Okay? MVP no more, but there will be a new group. Right? A new group for all of you guys to be able to communicate and have a two-way conversations with me. Right, so we hit take profit 1, guys. Right, we hit take profit 1. Okay, that's a beautiful 100% flip, guys. I have a $700 account that's running $800 right now. Oh, sorry, $800 account that's running $800 right now. It was 750. Oh, I closed some layers on top there. Very, very nice setup, boys. Right, very, very nice setup. Even my small account is running 100%. Owen, can we perhaps have a link to the Telegram, please? So you're coming from YouTube? Well, if you're coming from YouTube, guys, then I would need you guys to search this up on Telegram, okay? At wolfxfx_official. Just search this out, right? Just search this out on Telegram. You should be able to find my Telegram channel called Wolf Street Academy, right? Guys, TP2 hit! TP2 hit, right? I think I'm gonna cash in a little bit more around this area here, guys, right? Oh, sorry. Lowest ones first. So we close some, guys. We close some here. I'll hold some. I'll close some. Right? I want to secure some gains at TP2. Nice catch, guys. Alright, this was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup. Can we FM from that cell? Yeah, if got good structure, we can, bro. Right, but that cell, there is actually not really much of a need for you to FM, because that is a cell that we are going to want to hold. Right, because the returns or the profits that we could be anticipating from the cells would not be just, 20, 30 pips. It should be at least 200, 300 pips. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0.5. Woo! Damn, bro. Guys, any one of you guys still holding? Look at her go. Look at her go. Damn, son. Damn. Damn. She's not stopping, guys. Damn. Yeah, sending you feedback now. Mantap. That's the way lah, guys. You are the G's, man. You are the G's. Now, this is going to be a task, guys. Okay, so 2567, Right, so 2567 is going to be my BE. 2567.3. Right, we're going to go ahead and we're going to set BEs for all of our entries, guys. 2567.3. I'm still going to leave my TP open. TP we can manually cut ourselves, right? But BE is a must, right? In case price reverse, but I don't think that may happen. Whatever said and done, so it's always better to be safe than sorry. One second, guys. That's 100 pips from the lowest running right now, if I'm not mistaken. Is it 100 pips, guys? Any one of you guys here running 100 pips? Wow, I'm still not done. I have so many days. I feel quite certain it will come down for a re-entry. Maybe. Right, maybe it might. But it's a Friday night, guys. But yeah, it's relatively still very early lah. Now with regards to my trade, guys, this account has already flipped because it was initially a 500 USD account that I deposited, right, and then it grew to 800, and that was the first buys that we took together just now, and then from 800 right now it's at 1200, so I've already flipped this by 1.5x. So even if this 400 plus USD that's running right now it reverses, for me it doesn't really impact that much. I would have liked it to go all the way up, and I still do expect that to happen, but we'll place our BEs and we'll see. Right now on M15, is it M15? No, it's M15. Right now on M15, what do we have is a pretty nice market structure, right, for buys. Okay, if you look at M15, you have a pretty nice market structure for a buys, where price has basically been just creating a continuous rally, base, rally, pullback, base, rally, base, rally, pullback, again, rally, base, breakout. Right, so now around this area here, okay, around this area here, there is a potential buy opportunity based off M15 QM manipulation. Right, so this was your M15 QM. You have your high, you have your low, your higher high as well as your lower low, and then price broke out towards the upside right now. It can always come back for a pullback into this zone before a continuation towards the upside. So that's why I don't want to hold any of my highest layers, but the entries that I have right now is nice because it's at 66, 60, 65, some is at 67, right? So we can try holding. Okay guys, sorry, I had to just update the channel for a bit. So can you affirm the sell zone holding by? Okay, nice, 2590, yes, selling it best right now. No more magic keys, Aji. I don't use it anymore, bro. Yes, hit 90 pips. Yes, that's right. I feel quite certain news will come down for a re-entry, boss. You may be right, Wayne. Alright, you may definitely be right. Holding 5 players, open 20. Nice. M30 and H1 forming an inverted HNS. So M30, yes, we do see a structure, right, on the overall time frame. It's not the best, right? It's not the best of structures, but you have, this is your left shoulder, this is your head, and right now price is in the midst of forming your right shoulder. And what's nice is that the neckline of this inverted HNS is also coinciding with the M15's QMM level. Alright, so if we can get a breakout, like I said, of this zone, then there is a very high likelihood we may continue pushing up. Right, very high likelihood we may continue pushing up. H1, is it clear on? Yeah, H1 is also very nice. Right, you have your left shoulder, you have your head, and this is right now market forming the right shoulder. This is your neckline. All we need, guys, all we need is one night in Dubai. All we need is a breakout right now, guys. If we can get that breakout, then we'll get that break. So we monitor here for a potential re-entry. Yeah, boy. So 2569 to 2572, guys. Okay. Now if you can break this level, M15 can break this level. Another 8 more minutes to go. Right. M15 can break this level. I may consider. Oh, M15 has broken. Right. So M15 has broken this level, which means that this pullback may have just been for a re-entry. Right. It may have just been for another re-entry on gold. But I think we'll just chill for a bit and wait out till 9:30. The news is at 9:30, right? The news is at 9:30. Yeah, it's in 6 more minutes to go. So I think the news is about to be a buy, guys. Everything is aligned. My analysis is also in line. We should see at least 160, 170 pips pump. So hold your buys. Alright, hold your buys. If you guys have already entered the buys, hold your buys. If you have no positions, then the idea would definitely be for you to look for a buy. But you cannot full margin because this news, there is a likelihood price may spike or price may just head all the way up towards the upside, one shot. Alright, but the direction of this news, for me personally, I definitely see a buy. Alright, and unless we get manipulated like what happened yesterday, only that will change the biasness, otherwise it should be a buy. What do you think about core retails? It's based off how Americans were spending last month. Elections going on, do you think Americans were spending? Based on the fact that inflation didn't go up, neither did it go down, bro, I'd say that there is probably a chance that we may not see much of a change. Right? There might probably just be an stagnant growth in terms of whether they spent or not. But yeah, given the fact that elections were ongoing, there probably would have been lesser spending that was done, maybe. But I'm not too sure. Honestly, I'm not too sure. Can buy for news or trade news after news? I mean, you can try buy for news, right? You can try to buy for the news. Great when I see things and you explain clearly, which helps me understand. I can't do that last time. I come for live, not ready for the actions. Not last month, not much live. After this, Azim, there's going to be a whole lot more live, right? If I can, every single day, I'm going to try doing live. The reason is because I still tried fighting TikTok's algorithm, alright? I still tried doing live on TikTok, but I think it's a hard reality right now that that platform no longer wants me. So we'll just have to shift to YouTube, right? And as long as I can build a good, healthy audience on YouTube, and every time I'm streaming, I'm not talking to myself, for me that is motivating enough to come on live, I'll come on live. Entered at 2571 during the pullback. Alright, that's a nice entry, bro. Right, that's a nice entry. I also might consider taking a re-entry, guys. Right, I also might consider taking a re-entry given the fact the structures are very nice. We have another 5 more minutes to go for the news. We haven't even tested the resistance yet. Right, we haven't even tested this. Oh, we did. We did. We did, yeah, we did. So we came to this resistance and we pushed down by about 50 pips, okay. M13 never break, but M15 now. This is a sole setup based on M15, yeah guys. Alright, a setup solely based on M15. Let's try gold buy again now. M5, this is your area to buy. So 71 to 69. M15, yeah, this is your whole QMM zone, but you have your demand here at 68.3. So my SL for this setup is below this candle's low. So SL for this setup will be at 67. So it's my initial, my BE point lah basically. This is your MP level to buy. Okay. M1 also got area there. Okay. Guys, jom. We re-entry gold buy now. Right? We re-entry gold buy now. Five, 7, 1, 6, 9, so this is 6, 7, no? Okay, perfect. 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. SL 67 bro. SL is basically the BE of my lower entries. Alright, so I have my lower entries over here. The SL for this setup is basically the BEs for my bottom setup. Right, so basically the way that I look at things is if price comes down to hit my BE, this setup failed. Right, this setup failed, so it's okay. 1 minute and 55 seconds left. Aye. Boss, D means my 1 minute equal low invalid. Said BE B, but boss shaking, hope the spreads don't. What happened to your magic keys? It's here lah bro, it's just that I don't use it anymore lah. Moban is one of the most sincere and honest trader you can find. Last year, despite it being a rough year, he was constantly doing his best on Zoom, weekly and daily analysis, benefiting people who are not even in his ID. Appreciate you bro. Was D means my 1 minute equal low entry invalid. It's not invalid bro. The concept is still applied, right? The concept is still the right concept. You have your equal lows over here. You have a M5 level of demand over here, right? That means this level to entry is still a valid level to entry, right? Again, if the news is a manipulation where you have a mixed data, one news is strong, one news is weak, we will get entries over here, right? We will get entries over here. So Wayne, what I would suggest to you is that don't take this buys over here. I want you to trust your own analysis, and I want you to wait for price to come to your zone, and there is a high likelihood price might come there, right? Price might come there, but for me, right, oh, damn, right, that's my BE's taken. Why is my GMI lagging? Hello, hello GMI, dude, what's wrong? Hello. Bro, what the fuck? Yo. Did you just see my whole app it just froze, bro? Hit my equal low. Guys, give me a sec. I'm having a bit of a problem here. What's wrong, man? This is the first time I'm ever experiencing this with GMI. Mixed data, right? Yeah. Shit. So that means we hit SL on this one, guys. Right? I gotta cut my losses. Right. CL for this. Wait, new setup fail. Wah, aku panic siut. Okay, now it's back. Right guys, we hit SL on this new setup. Right, price basically came back down into our buy zone again. News is basically what? Oh, it's still pending for me. News is one strong 1 week. It doesn't make sense at all how it's one strong 1 week when it's the same sort of news. How can it be a sell from here? You can't be a sell from here, but you still got level to collect on top, friend. We're seeing M30 breaking trend line right now. Hey, could have been so beautiful if you just flew. Wayne, I think your entry is right now triggered, but I think it's also breaking below that area already. This was your equal low, right? This was supposed to be the buy. Price is going below. It would have still been a failed setup. 30 pips negative already. He said, but it could be a catalyst or something. Reset by the H4 closing at 10. You have to put Papa Trump into play. You still have time, but never trigger me in. Luckily, bro. But yeah, you would have gotten an instant what, 50-60 pips. If you reacted quick enough, you would have closed. If you didn't react quick enough, then the markets would have screwed you over lah. Okay, so now guys, right now market becomes a little bit more tricky because we have bullish structure, but at the same time right now we have a bearish breakout, and price also went all the way to collect the same H1 resistance level which has been respecting for the past day since yesterday. Unfortunate. On M15 right now we are about to get a breakout. Now if this is a breakout, I've got to wait, right? I've got to wait. I personally don't see it as a breakout. I personally see it as just a manipulation. I think there is still going to be a buy from here somewhere. Market is trying to get us to sell, but I think it's still going to be a buy. I would probably reuse back this zone, right? If we break back towards the upside to rebuy. And for us to get a good entry, 934 right now, it's 945. Basically the M15 closure is very important for us. We want to see if M15 breaks this low and forms like a double top sort of a structure, and we have like this area here we can look for sells, or if it doesn't and it holds this trend line, leaves a shadow, then it's supposedly to be a buy. I would take aggressive buy entries right now at 2565, 2563. I will use this area here for very aggressive buy entries and target back the same highs that we were at just now. Now that M5 basically didn't close above 2560 could be my SL. Right, let's see M1. Yeah, I think it's about to fly, guys. But M5 broke the lows. Might be a manipulation, because this was the zone to be triggered. Our SL would have been, say, 10 pips below. 10 pips below, SL would have been 2562. It would have came down to trigger the SL first. Okay. Monitor, we might re-enter the buys. Alright, it's a lower trend line it came to collect, bro. Lower trend line that it came to collect, bro. Where did it come to collect the trend line? What trend line are you talking about? Maybe this one? Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense, bro. It's a Friday Halloween. Hey. Alright guys, I will be anticipating to want to take buys here, but I'm gonna just wait out a little bit to see what the market does. It's very volatile right now. It's very aggressive. It's like boom bam, up down, up down, up down. So I don't wanna unnecessarily get into another losing trade. Let's see, let's wait. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take some small entries here, guys. I'm entering gold buys here, but very small entries. Because I like the reaction that it's giving at the zone. 2 times, right? 2 times leaving shadows in the zone. So I just entered gold buys. Wow, you instant bro. Right, I entered very small entries, guys, but instantly we are running 10 pips. You guys wanna take some buys entry also can. This zone is a very strong zone. The first time we manipulated, the second time, beautiful. That's just mad. Instant 20 pips. Wow. Crazy. I have no time to inform the channel, guys, right? During markets like this, for me to take my own trades, if I can doing it on live with you guys, it's fine. But if I need to update the Telegram as well, there's never in a heaven's hell chance that I would be able to share this setup with you guys, which is sad. The moment I saw the M1 leaving a shadow in this zone, straight away, pop, flew all the way. But I think these buys have a long way to go, guys. Alright, I think this has a long way to go. I feel like this H1 is about to flip bullish right now. M30 is also about to flip bullish. Right, M15 also about to flip bullish. M5 might give us another entry, but upon the break. Right, upon the break of this key area here. So maybe the second entry for the buys would be here. Right, but these are all lower time frame entries, guys. Right, all lower time frame entries. The buys just now I had so many layers in, guys. Hey, that would have been sexy lah. Price, that's why I said I will try my best to hold, but the market always knows how to, you know, make sure we aren't able to like capitalize on the biggest movements, and today is just another example. If only I have all the layers in. Ooh. Over DP on buys. It is realistic because weekly can close at 258895. It looks like it hasn't broken the weekly support. It hasn't broken the weekly support, neither has it broken the daily support as well, bro. Right? Price left a shadow at the daily support. Right? So this only tells me that price should go back to previous daily. At least the support become resistance level. Or my bare minimum target is here, guys. Right? My bare minimum target is here. At least here. Right, because you break but you don't retest. Come on. Right, and H4, this retest has to happen. If I don't know how much to stress on this, but it really does have to happen. It's just that it's not happening yet, and it's taking time, and it's squeezing the patience out of us. I don't like M5's closure, but this is an M1 entry. Gee, I'm proud to say I got the buys and the sells. Now I'm done for the day. I'm proud of you, bro. Fucking proud. Babe. Attempt fail, guys. I gotta get water myself. I'll be right back. Ready to buy some more, guys. 2 minutes more. This fella came down and took out sell side. Now we'll go back up to take out buy side. It should. 2 more minutes to M15's closing. Right, I want to see if M15 breaks this low or not. Right, it will be very interesting to see if it breaks this demand or if it breaks this low. If it doesn't, then if there is a pullback on that M15 to form a lower shadow, we'll buy that pullback, okay? We'll buy that pullback to the lower shadow. They're respecting the M1 buy zone. Once I passed my funded, mabuk me. I sold at 2575 and bought in 2562. Nice. Dah ada setup recovery G. Dah ada dah bro. Tadi I bagi setup buy tapi dia jalan terlalu pantas. Right, the buy from this zone down below here. The fella gerak pantas. I also myself am only able to get 2 entries, which is running about what 40 pips. So we're waiting for another buy. Alright, we're waiting for another entry buy. Are you planning to break M15? If you're planning to break, then I should TP my sells. If you don't want to break, there's good news. I can hold my sells. Sorry, my buys. M15 punya shadow. M30 punya tengok, H1 punya tengok bro. Ini gold. This is gold. Okay, we didn't break, guys. Alright, so I'll be interested in taking buys for gold right now. Get ready. The moment we have a bottom wick on this candle, I will basically place my buys in, right? I will try to wait for maybe precise buy entries maybe around this area here if I want to be very sharp. Somewhere around this area here. Don't go straight lah, don't go straight. Wait first my friend. Don't go first my friend, wait first. I don't like if the candle doesn't form a bottom wick, right? I want it to form a bottom wick first. Okay, come. Slow, my friend, slow. Okay, jom. Slowly kita entry buy dekat sini, guys. Right? Okay. The retest validates the trend line. Yes, that's right. Over here. If you take this trend line over 1, 2 touches, yeah, 1, 2. I want to take it as precise, be something like this. We turn it over to line chart. Yeah. It's still an uptrend, right? Based on this M15 closing, it's still an uptrend. So we can still attempt to buy. Tested my precise zone. Wrong TP. Why do I keep doing this mistake? Why do I keep making this mistake? Sorry guys, apologies. Yep, corrected it. Right, corrected it. My bad. Right, zero float guys. Okay, zero float. $25 pips. Right guys, that's a 30 pips trade so far running. Right, 40 pips so far running. We got the literal shadow of this trade guys. Okay, the literal shadow of this trade. This was basically where I placed my entry and we are running smooth. G, if M5 breaks 69.5, is that a BME? 69.5, 69.5, 69.5, M5, 69. Yes, that's right. Which is already a valid BME right now, bro. Right? This one over here. Okay, because we had initially this demand. We're supposed to get a buy here. No. The fella break below, break above. The fella can come back for a retest around this area. Small level over here for a retest buy. Okay, and if M5 right now closes like this, not on this candle, but if it closes bullish, it makes this zone even more stronger because you will see a small M5 gap over here as well. So the next M5 may come down to fill this gap, to fill this BME, and then continue pushing towards the upside. Okay, but at the same time right now guys, I think it's about what, 40 pips up. If you guys are running 40 pips, this is basically points to set your break evens, right? Points to set your break evens. Why are you pulling back like that? So deep. Okay lah guys, I layer a few layers here, right? I entry few layers over here. Hey, so deep, don't do so deep. This is the max, this is the max, this is the max you should drop. Don't so deep, don't so deep. Hey, enough, enough. Enough. Sorry, Jerry, entry. I'm layering a bit lah. It's not a re-entry for me because I'm still holding all my entries, right? So I'm layering a bit. This M5 very deep. It's collecting, right? It's collecting too deep. Let's see if it leaves the shadow. Don't so deep, my friend. Back to the same entry point again for a re-entry, guys. Basically we pumped about 40 pips, then we have now rejected about 40 pips. I'm still holding, and I've also added some layers on top. Why? 954. Is M15 is M15 weak TPB filled? M15 weak TPB filled. Or M15 weak to be filled? Maybe that would be sick. Ayo, from $130 running profit now we are negative. Very strange price action. What are you planning to do, gold? I don't think it needs to be filled, right? Because this wick that was formed here was basically to take out this liquidity over here. So takkan we want to come and take out liquidity twice. This should be the max, guys, right? This area here should be the max that price comes down to. It shouldn't go drop lower than this. Anything lower than this, then setup's already invalid. For now, I am still holding this buys, and I'm also just layered into the buys. It's very weird price action. 4 minutes more to go for M30. Let's see lah, guys. Okay, I'm going to hold this trade, expecting a new H1 and M30 to see if we get a bullish push to the upside. Bro, goyang ah. The remix, you know, the original, the OG. Okay. One, two, three, six, 6, 6, 0.7, 2 layers. So that is, should be good. Yeah, neither do I. I don't like M15 as well. Right? I don't love it. But it's Friday, guys. We won't get the best price action. We won't get the best candlestick formations. We have to just deal with what we get and try our best to stay profitable. Don't. Another 1 minute, guys. I'm gonna hold this for another 1 more minute to see what the new M15, M30 and H1 does. It doesn't look the greatest. I'm floating about 30 pips in total. Right, negative 30 pips float. Not nice. First entry, 0 float. First entry from here, 0 float. Second entry, the same level again. Now floating, yeah, 25-30 pips lah. Inshallah, dia akan running balik. See, I said I'm done but still trading a day later. Don't come. Santai, brother, santai lah kawan. Okay, this is a new H1, guys. New H1, new M15, new M5, new M30, and yeah, the closing of H1 is pretty shitty lah. We closed as a breakout on the H1 time frame. Yeah, H1 nearly broke out, M30 also nearly broke out, M15 also same. I think if price goes back, right, guys, I might just close this entries at B. Right, I might just close this at B. It's not the best position to be in based on the way the price has just closed. But if M5 does a double bottom from here, it will be pretty sick lah. right, we can always get an M5 double bottom from here, right? We'll be pretty sick if that happens, but am I being too optimistic? Based on the other time frames, it does look like that. Okay guys, coming to a break-even point shortly. M1 is nice. Right, I'm at break even now. I have a decision to make. I think I continue holding for a bit. Which one is still a buy though? Okay, this is a decision making point guys, because on M30 what we have here right now, okay, is a double bottom, sorry, double top, right? M30 has a double top. This is your single top, this is your double top, and this is the breakout, this is the retest level, right? So I think I'm just gonna close these positions right now, right? And I will probably wait for another re-entry, just because the structure suggests a bearish structure on the higher time frame, right? So it might fly. I have a very strong feeling that it might just invalidate this double top as well on M30, but since the structure is a bearish structure, I don't want to be holding and later regretting, like, even though I saw a bearish structure, I didn't react. So I'm going to just be reactive and I'm just going to close. Right guys, I'm closing this position, I would say considerably, at about a 20 pips profit from lowest lah. The more I closing, the more the flood dropping. The more I closing, the more the flood dropping. Day. Kita cari balik re-entry guys. Alright, we find another entry that is decent, that doesn't have like a bearish confirmation. Okay, I hope you guys also did the same. I have officially exited the position. I will look for another entry. Right. See, I said I'm done. FM move by tomorrow number like Chingu and so 0.01 below Makaya. Okay guys, I just exited all the positions on gold. There is a likelihood price might fly. I actually think so as well. But at the same time, there is a bearish reasoning on markets lah, right? There is a double top on M30. If this invalidates, then we'll probably take another buy on top, right? But if you guys took any buys just now, you should be running a profit, right? So just close those trades, close those buys, and let's see where we can get another re-entry for the buy. If you guys want to hold, by all means, right? Because I most likely might be re-entering the buys again also, right? I might be re-entering the buys. But I just want the structure to be invalidated. I closed it for you guys. Because every time after I close, price will fly. Looks like the M5's double bottom is becoming a reality, guys. Right, it looks to be becoming a reality. Come on. Give me good price action. Nice price action, we can re-enter back the buys. Truly. Inside only you know what I'm feeling, bro. Inside only you know how much I'm crying, bro. Hello. Well, I'm a bit passive today, guys, because I'm playing it safe, because we got to recover yesterday's losses. So I'm taking all of that into consideration, and even if I want to go aggressive today, personally I might, but with you guys I'm gonna just play it a little safe, right? Oh, very nice lah. M1 confirmation, top fly 45 pips. Always like this, you close it fly since last year. It's the connection with the market, bro. You got to build some connections, you know. That's why once in a while, right, whenever I'm trading my personal account, whenever I feel like closing, I'll think of this. Then instead of closing, what I'll do is that I'll enter some more layers. I'll layer on top. Because usually wherever the point is that I feel like closing, after I close, price will go up some more. So now certain times whenever I feel like closing, I layer some more. I layer some more, price goes up, I close on. This M5 double bottom is about to break out, guys. So we had a double top, breakout, right? Now we've got a double bottom, potential breakout. Now wherever we took the re-entry just now, right, this wherever the breakout manipulation level, if price comes back there, if there is a breakout also on the M5 double bottom, we re-enter back the buys but slightly higher, okay guys? Because I think this is the market's telling us that the trend is already a confirmed buy. What is H1? Is H1 bullish enough? So you see H1, for me, the way that I look at it, right, price basically, the dump that happened just now, price came to collect this demand on H1. The failure to break below and create a new lower low on H1 and still retain the uptrend, which is basically the creation of this your low, your high, you have your higher low here, you have your your higher low here, you have your lower high here, right, and you have your higher low here as well. So price wasn't able to break below this low, neither was it able to break below this structure point over here. Given the fact we've gotten this trend line breakout retest, I think we are flying higher, guys, right? I think we are flying higher. What do I need? Because the M30's double top is still the only thing that's making me a little confused, right? I don't like this fella's, I don't like this fella here, right? But this fella doesn't exist on H1 lah, only on M30 only ada. M15 also tada, so only on a single time frame. So only M30 is not aligning for the buys, right? Because of this structure over here. So if we can fade that, which may take time, then I don't see why we can't buy it. Bro, won't go on 2530. It will, but after going up to 2580, 2590, bro. right? The filler needs to come to collect these breakout levels, bro, right? Either this OHLC over here or either this breakout over here. Okay, but we need to get some confirmations that we are about to go up there lah. Which right now, the way that I look at it is that M30 is the manipulation time frame, right? Why I say M30 is manipulation? Because the filler got double top, the filler got bearish engulfing, after bearish engulfing, straight away bullish engulfing, right? So this is usually the example of how manipulation looks like. Many people after this bearish engulfing will look for sells here and will try to sell down, and now price, if it breaks towards the upside again, that means there's a manipulation that took place here. So after that manipulation will be the redemption entry, and that's possibly lah, right? Possibly break down, break up, retest buy, right? Because memang this one is engulfing bearish, what? Bearish engulfing here, right? And then continued by a bullish engulfing here. So you got engulfing after engulfing. So got manipulation, and we got M5 confirmation for buys. So I think kita buy saja lah guys, right? Even if we need to buy high, we buy high, but we buy after confirmation. Of course, M5 left a wick never makes it simple. The XY M30 double top G. Okay, wait, let me check bro. Actually, yeah, we didn't check the XY today, guys. M30 double top. This one here, bro. Like this. Is that how you identify your double top, buddy? If you want to look at such big of a structure, might as well you look onto like a bigger time frame then. You see H4, there is a single top, there is a double top, but price never break neckline. So you have your resistance, you have your support. This is basically been your range. We need the break up or we need the break down to either continue pushing up or continue pushing down, right? So with micro, what we can do is that we can highlight both these levels for DXY, right? Highlight both these levels and we try to go and micro analysis this based on the lower time frame. When we micro analysis this, we understand that there is a supply level here. We understand that right now, we understand that right now price is creating a breakout, right, which is basically a buy structure, right? A buying structure over here, a buying structure over here, because you have your drop, base drop, low high, lower low, higher high. So there's a temporary, right, temporary possible push up for the XY, right? M15, you have this trend line breakout. Basically this was your range, right? Consolidation, breakout, and was that reversal to the upside. So I'd say maybe DXY has another plus 15 to 20 pips to go before it reaches a point whether it decides it wants to push up or it wants to push down. So the 20 to 40 pips on DXY towards the upside basically means a 40 to 60 pips downside on gold usually lah, right? Usually lah. That's how it is. But what is the bigger picture telling us? The bigger picture on DXY is still a buy lah guys, okay, because this weekly double bottom is just a matter of time, right? It's just a matter of time before we break out. I've been telling you guys for like over a week already right now. It's just a matter of time, and I think daily also the fact that we are not being able to break below the daily low, right? We aren't able to break below either one of these daily lows here tells us that DXY is pretty strong bullish, right? Even though got bearish structure or what, it still tells us that it's a pretty strong bullish. So we should be looking for sells on gold. We just need to find a sell level that is valid enough. Now if I see line chart, I would place a buy here on gold. Buy here, and my SL would be here. Let's just say I place sniper SL at 30 pips SL. My entry got gap below also. That means my entry here. My entry here means then my SL can be here. If I take my entry in between, what is this range? 14 pips. So my entry is somewhere here. M5's double bottom breakout. You don't retest with that, bro. Not nice, you know. Not nice like that. Actually very nice to full margin lah. But I don't want a full margin, bro. Fuck it, we'll wait for our zone, guys. But it comes, doesn't come. Okay guys, small entries. Alright, small entries. Gold buy here. I am taking maybe 0.25 total. Alright, small entries for gold buys this area over here. We buy based off the M5 double bottom breakout. Right, I want to layer in this area here. Right, I want to layer here at 2569.63, 2569.27. This is my area I want to layer. You don't want to come to my layer levels, but if you come to the 50% gate. M1 sort of confirm the buys. M1 confirm the buys, even M5 also confirm the buys, bro. Now we just need a sniper. You don't need to find sniper means you can just buy. I'm looking for sniper. I forgot that I'm actually trading a big account today. I'm not trading a small account, so I don't really need to have a sniper entry. I can afford to float lah. 15-20 pips float all okay lah. 30 pips also actually okay lah. Market conditions like this, to really find the zero floats is not easy. So expect the float, alright? Expect the 15-20 pips of a float, because the movements during these volatile conditions is very quick and very fast. Okay, that's my 0.25. The rest of it, I'm just going to place it as limits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's 10. Okay. Thanks for the analysis, all good Tristan. I'll take my rest first. Alright, wait, no worries bro, take care. Have a nice day. Hey. Bro, today since 6 AM lah market range. Mabok macam mana bro? Oh, Wayne took the hit for the team guys. Right, everyone in the chat say thank you Wayne. Right, everyone in the chat say thank you, Wayne. He took one for the team, guys. Right, he took one for the team. He closed his buys, and that's the reason why price right now is flying. Right, so in the chat, if you guys are holding your buys, you need to say thank you, Wayne. SL area bro, SL area kita 2568 lah bro. 2568 2568 or 2567.5 lah. Dia kalau dia break 2568 kita cut. Thanks Bruce Wayne. Wow, the movement damn siao eh. Movement, volume bro, volume, give me volume bro. Already late at night already, now you're supposed to move with volume bro. Don't be siao like this ah. Just gerak lah, 50, 60, 100 pips ke apa. Don't be so siao my friend. Timing Aji, the fall for new one already. At this point hit my SL and breakout top also I don't mind as long as it stop ranging. I feel you lah, I feel you. It is getting to my nerves also. But it's just a matter of time. I think market, the volume, the volatility ever since daylight savings is no longer applicable, right? It's been coming in later guys. So it's been getting us trades that work out just one way in our direction without all this, unnecessary retracements, just the continuation push to the upside slightly later, like 10:30, 11 o'clock, 11:30, only that time market starts moving with a very nice volume. So we got to be patient, okay? We need 200 pips. That same 200 pips only I'm waiting from just now, bro. Made an entry since 6 AM, floating till now. Damn it. Did your swings hit BE? Sells ah? No, sells, my sells is at 27 bro. My sells is at 2740. That one if hit BE means that one I'll cry blood. But not much lah, 0.3 any bro. But I don't even know how much I'm running on that account. Like I said, I already deleted that account from my MT5 and I don't know, what's the running on that account right now. Can go 81. I'm expecting that lah guys. Right, I'm expecting that. Or maybe all Sebot Lion crypto bro. I think the volume shifting there lah bro. But honestly, David, you want to go and check out BTC bro. Just analyze it and see. Don't need to take a trade. Just analyze it and see. I had a sell just now for BTC at this area here. Right, it was just based off like a broken demand. Price came back, retested this area. From here to down here is like 130 pips. And the beautiful thing is that you see M5. Right, where I took my entry was somewhere around this candle here, this bullish candle here. I took my entries here. Pop, instant the fella reject about 52 pips. I layered a bit after I saw this candle broke below this low. Layered on this candle. Like I think about 25 minutes. 25 minutes, 100 pips, yeah. And that same 100 pips on gold, the fella like squeezing the maximum out of us. So like I think we gotta also like hop onto the bandwagon. Anyways, at least this one was a nice trade. We have gotten I think 30 pips. Yeah, 30 pips running on this buys, guys. Right, 30 pips running on this gold buys. Why, if I never close my buys from here all, now like kaya, oh. But if I never close means then price wouldn't have fly, then you guys all still floating. I saw inverted HNS on M15. Belum form, bro. Belum form. Left shoulder, this is your head. You means what? One more pullback. Yeah, but I like M30 lah, guys. This is a perfect manipulation setup, right? We can take this, right? We can take this as an AMD setup also, right? On M30, this could be like a power of 3 AMD setup where price basically around this whole range here, right? This was our range price on M30. Basically, just did accumulation, right? And then we basically pushed down, manipulated out all these buyers over here, took out liquidity here, took out liquidity here. After doing that, basically the manipulation phase was over, then we get the distribution phase, right? So usually if it's an AMD, the structure will look something like this, right? The structure will look something like this. You have your accumulation, right? Basically ranging, right? Price does a sideways, and then it manipulates towards the downside. It breaks up, it comes back to retest this range, right? Anywhere within this range, the fella can retest. Say retest somewhere in the middle, and then it continues pushing up. So this is a example of how an AMD setup looks like, where you have your accumulation. I'll just label it as A, right? You have your accumulation, and then you have your manipulation, and then you have your distribution, right? And then last but not least, you have your redemption. So redemption is basically, why is it called redemption? Because in this accumulation there would have been a lot of buyers that sold around this, sellers that sold around this area, and buyers who bought around this area. One of them too probably would have gotten SL hunted when price went down. So in this case, these buyers at support got their SLs hit, right? And when they saw price broke out, when price came back, this support became resistance. They would have anticipated to take sells here, and price broke back towards the upside. So basically two SLs, buyers hit SLs, and then if they would have taken sells here, sellers also hit SL, come back down again for a re-entry. So this is your redemption entry lah. Right, so we are seeing something of the same, right, on M30 happening right now. I think this is in the ebook also. If you guys have the WFX Traders Handbook, the V3.0, this example of setup should be there as well. Time frame, usually if it happens on like M15, M30 and H1, what it means is that the movement will be very much more stronger, right? But if it happens on like a lower time frame, it's still valid. It's just that you may get just maybe 20-30 pips of a movement lah, right? So you can find other setups on the lower time frame to get that same 20-30 pips, right? But AMD, if you want to get like a good 100 pips at least to ride, at least M30, H1, your bare minimum lah. If you want to really consider M15 can, but I say maybe stick with 2, M30, M15. Right? You can go H4 also, but the problem is that with H4, if you have an AMD, it's going to become a swing. You have to swing for you to really see that whole movement. If you spot AMD on M30 and on H1, within an intraday, you can actually get your like desired pips, 100, 200. In this kind of volume, in this kind of volatility, maybe even more. M5 nicest W structure. Yes, precisely, right? The very beautiful breakout, the very beautiful retest, and now a rally-based rally as well. So I think one last test, right? One last retest is what we sort of need before the actual push to the upside, right? So yeah. M30 closing soon. I think it just did, bro. I think it just closed there. M30, yeah. This is already a confirmed buy, guys. Right, I don't see how price cannot fly right now. Right, this is like a very high probability buy. Right, zone for buy limits, I have placed it at 69.5 to 68.5. Whether or not price will come, I am not too sure. Right, but this is my buy limit, this area over here, right? So if you go to M5, you will see there was a previous demand that got manipulated twice, once here, second here, third here again, fourth here again, so twice the manipulation, and I don't think price is about to come there lah. Wow, woohoo! Right guys, that's 40 pips in the bag, right, 40 pips in the bag. Can FM bro ikut capital masing-masing, right? If you guys understand the risk behind FM, you can try. Today my mood is different a bit, right? Today I'm not trading my small accounts because I am down a bit. I need to recover a little bit. Yesterday selepas live, I did something that I wasn't supposed to do lah, so the recovery needs to be done. Sebab tu aku trade account besar sikit malam ni. Price came back for another entry. One more entry guys. This is our redemption. Okay lah. I will try another 0.53354, 0.75, 1.2, 1.2, count size 1,000. Let's go all in. Wait lah. One layer only I entered lah. Wait lah. Wait lah, my friend. That was the redemption entry, guys. I'm doing calculation in my head. How many lots I should use? What happens if this hit SL? How much will I lose? I'm calculating. In my head, I'm calculating, and bye-bye. Aduh. Yeah, that was a solid buy lah. My finger not yet reached the buy button. Bro, how much was your first big profit in trading? My first big profit in trading, if I need to be very honest with you, bro, was when I came back from a negative 70k drawdown to zero. That was, I think, the first time that I actually realized that I made money. It was when I actually reached back from negative, from being so much in losses, coming back to like a break-even point. After that, I think my first start, 2.5 years back, bro. 2022. Yes, negative 70k MYR. What are you trying to do? Why is M5 like that? Are you planning to come here? You want to come here? You want to come here? You can come here. I don't mind. You come here, I can layer more. You come here, I cannot layer so much. Then I overcommit on top already. Then you float means I die. So you want to come here, you come here. Not means you just fly. You don't make me want to layer on top. I don't want to layer here somewhere. I know you. I know what you're trying to do. I know you. I've been with you for 4 years already. 4 years already. All your tricks, all these tricks of yours, how many times I got fall for? Do you understand or not? Understand not? I know. So you want to come means you quickly come. Don't do this stupid kind of movement. You just straight away come. Okay, like that. You want come. Gentle. Gentle. Come. Bit more. You came this far already. A bit more. Okay. A bit more. Hey. GYS I said 2567 bro. Okay, the fella came. Finally the fella decided to come. How long it took, G? Took me long bro. It took me at least about 1.5 years Close to 2 years bro, close to 2 years. Don't they are running nicely already like just now. Running so beautifully already just now. 2567 is SL. Why are you doing this? What is your problem? Oh no, the fella don't want to break the range. Sorry guys, back into another drawdown again. 2567 is my SL. If we break below that 2567 level, I'll have to cut loss. Right, but all my limits that I've placed just now all have triggered already. I don't know why we are not being able to break this range when we already have all the confluences in the world to fly. Price is still deciding not to fly. This is a gap that price is filling right now. Enough already, you can fly from here already, my friend. My family, my friend. Yes, M5 FVG, correct guys, correct. That's an M5 FVG, but why the volume so bearish? M30 what? Inverted HNS guys. Is this what I think it is? Or M30 QM? I'm seeing this structure. Why you want to so deep? You want to collect for what? No need to collect so deep, all my friend. My friend, no need to collect so deep, my friend. It's a buy structure. Why? If I lose on this buy structure, I'll be a donkey. Donkey, you know, it's donkey. M30 QM buy, M5 FVG, M5 double bottom, M5 breakout manipulation entry, M30 redemption entry. So many reasons to buy lah, hey! GYSL is like I said guys, 2567, breaks we cut. Right? Breaks we cut. That's why sometimes I don't trade on Fridays. Good move bro. Because of all the signs that is to go to 2580. Memang celaka betul XAUUSD ni. Sekarang kita fly. Now I scan the real Halloween happening. Hey, marah aku sumpah aku frust guys. I'm very frustrated. There's so many reasons, you know. If I'm taking this trade based on just one reason alone, right? Hit SL means okay lah, I got myself to blame lah. I got over 5-6 different reasons why I'm placing a buy here. This one also hit SL lah. Hey. Aku geram bro. remove dia takut. Hai. Kau jangan. Kau terus respect kau. I don't know why you want to collect so deep for what? No need to collect so deep lah. Little bit cukup lah. See lah, this retracement itself for the cells, we could have sold, for a 70 pips TP. Damn, man. And the time we sell, the fella will retrace just 20-30 pips and then continue pushing up. Ridiculous. My palms press until sweating already. Friday today is opposite day. Wait, yesterday? Oh, was it yesterday or today? Oh, LDR? Yesterday, LDR. Yeah lah, 15th, yesterday, correct. ஒழுங்கா போயிரு. Hey, go. Wait, I know what to do, guys. We make the fella scared a bit. Right, we make the fella scared a bit. Hey, where's the fella went? Oh, you need to be here. See where Osama is pointing? The same direction you go. Aduh, sorry lah guys. Today. Aduh. That's YouTube, bro. Must listen carefully when he explains. Sorry, not delay. I like live in future, so you can react on time. Make him pump. There is a small delay, guys. There's maybe about 5 to 10 seconds of a delay. Yes, that's just the latency that YouTube has, lah. No choice. My stream is already set to ultra low latency, but memang it's still sometimes got lah. There you go. You see who is this or not? Do you see who this is? Hey. See the direction of his finger? Follow the direction of the finger. If not means, gua bomb you. Faster. Hey. The kind of shit I'm doing. We try. I want to just clear off my top layers right now, guys. Okay, this fella any blocking right now. The bottom layer is quite nice. The limits that we set, okay. Hey, you forgot, is it? Hey, hello? அந்த பயம். Hey. Hey, you know who is this? Gold. Not even respecting the fundamentals. How am I gonna respect you? Respect this fella, bro. Hey. Cooking on, bro. We'll cover the price, guys. We'll let Osama take charge right now. M15 nice week. Yeah. And he didn't break. He basically came to collect back this same entry point again, guys. So many times the fella want to react to the same zone. Okay, mantap. Kita dah running balik, guys. Oh, this trade one emotional roller coaster way. I go into profit, I went into loss, then I went into profit, then I went into loss, and then now I'm back into profit again. 77 TP I stopped for the day. Yeah lah, bro. I think I also stopped for the day lah, bro. I cannot take this much of roller coaster ride, bro. I rather go to Abu Dhabi or what and ride roller coaster, bro. This kind of emotional roller coaster are not healthy, bro. So, guys, yeah, I'm definitely going to close those 73 layers in a while, guys. Right, I'm just letting it go a bit more above my entries, and I will close the moment this whole thing here turns blue. Bit more, come on. So next time, guys, if you ever get into drawdown, you know what to do, okay? Just scare the Fulani. You can either use Osama, you can use anyone lah, just use me. The fella gets scared. Okay, I'm sorry. You're not scared. You're not scared. You're not scared. Only 370 BE plus profit, mantap. Come, bit more. Okay, I'll close the top entries lah, guys, okay? Entry dekat atas, movement secure. I'm doing this for you guys, Right, I'm doing this for you guys. Lepas movement close, I expect the price to go to all-time high. Aduh. Okay. We leave the lower entries, guys. Our buy limits kita kekalkan. We let it run. Our instant entries yang I ambil dekat atas tadi, yang tu I dah hold. So from our buy limits, guys, we are running approximately again another 40 pips. Right, I'm also officially here running about 40 pips total. Right, 45 pips. So this is, I don't know, I think trade number 5 that I'm running 40 pips, and I have secured some profits. You know what? I'm gonna close half of this, guys, just to book again. Right, just to book some profits. I'm gonna close half here because I'm kind of sick and tired already of seeing my account go up and then come down, then go up, then come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just gonna leave 0.25. Right, I'm just gonna leave 0.25. If you guys have the can, you probably running quite nice also. About 35 pips to 40 pips lah. Closed all, okay, mantap. Closed all, good. Say thank you, all of you guys in the comments. I'm gonna get banned for saying this. All of you guys in the chat say thank you, Osama. Aduh. Beautiful Friday, yes. No, I'm not the GOAT, guys. Osama is the GOAT, guys. Right? If it wasn't for him, we would have already hit our SL. Right? You see how he saved us, bro. He saved us when we were down here, you know. We were right here. He's a life savior, man. RIP the legend, yeah, boy. Closed all. Okay, nice, guys. Nice. Right, nice. Thank you, Obama. They are the Verada. Obama Verada. See, now all of you guys close already. Now the fella Rancha berdosa. Rancha. H4 baru nak start The movement on H4 dia baru nak start. So I'm predicting overall movement for those of you guys yang tengah hold right? For those of you guys yang tengah hold, if you guys are still holding, if you guys are intraday traders, then the potential take profit levels 2583, right, 2589 is still valid, but I would say you want to basically manage your risk around this area here because the number of times price has just bounced back off this area and fall back down is pretty insane. Okay, so even if you guys are intraday traders and you're expecting a bigger gain, maybe not today, right? Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe not the next month, pero maybe next week, right? Maybe next week price will actually go to the levels we are targeting. The more we try to push for it to go today, the more it might not want to happen, and we will just waste out trades that's running into a profit just because we are anticipating a bit more of a movement. So like me on my end also, I've already secured, and I'm just holding this other 5 plays. The fella come back to my entry point. I'm telling you guys, I'm not even kidding. I'm just gonna close. Alright, I'm just going to close and I'm just going to call it a Friday. A win is still a win. Big, loose, big, small, doesn't really matter. I started the day with a $500 account. I needed to recover about $600 because I lost $600 yesterday unnecessarily. Right after the lives that I did yesterday, I basically emotionally tilted and traded and lost unnecessarily. So I needed to recover 600 today. I deposited 500. That 500 currently is at 1,002. So that's about 700 USD that I made. Running about $134, which is great. If it goes up all the way, great. Doesn't go up all the way, still great. Still a blessed Friday regardless. Right, but ultimately the intraday targets is still at 82, 89 and 96. Right. I trade alone, I will cut loss already. Thank you Mohanji, can't do this alone. Can bro, can. Right, it's only the matter of time, matter of practice, and I'm pretty sure very soon you also will be able to do exactly like what we do. But at the same time, it's just fun for us to do it together. Right, I also enjoy. I think if I generally can speak for myself, I think I also personally become a better trader, or I make better decisions when I'm on live with you guys, because I'm forced to be accountable. Right, so I prevent myself from taking those low probability setups and I only take those high probability ones. So you guys indirectly also help me become a better trader, and at the same time we as a community can take better decisions and grow together as well. Thank you bro for the profits, no worries. Jacob, Mike bro, I'm waiting for Mike to break the first face bro. Love the live stream bro, hope you continue doing it. Thanks Mohan, passed my phase 1 funded because of you. Mantap lah Akash. Let know that bro. Yes, if Mohan stream don't trade alone, miskin sama kaya sama trades. Love the lives. Thank you guys all for the lovely comments. I really appreciate it. I'm just going to take a small quick video to share it in the public channel for those of them who in the public but they don't want to join. This is what they missed, right? So guys, Livetrade today was a success. I told you guys yesterday that we were about to make a very massive comeback after yesterday's loss that we suffered. We are right now running about 50-60 pips on this recent buys that we took. It was a buy limit that was set, and every single one of them in the YouTube live that's still on, there's about 48 of them. There's about 90 just now. All of them, some passed their fundeds, right? Some made some profits. It's all great. It's all good, right? Lives onwards, loss or wins, we are in here together. Beautiful, right? So the next time we're streaming, guys, make sure to join in, because if not, you're going to miss out a lot of fun education, knowledge, as well as a lot of money and profits that we make together. Peace. 10:53. Okay lah guys, I give you guys another 7 more minutes. We stream and then after 11 o'clock I end the live lah. Right, Friday night kita end awal sikit. And I might still trade, but I might be on the go lah, because I don't want to be in the office till too late. But let me just give you a little bit of a hindsight of what's about to happen, guys. 2025, you're going to see a lot of changes, good changes, a lot of good changes.
My phone, the charger.
Your phone.
Charger, so. Okay.
You didn't charge it? Okay, right?
Okay.
Starting 2025, we're going to have a grand seminar, guys. Right? A grand seminar for about 100 to 150 packs. That's the numbers that I'm looking at. Right? It will be done in KL. Right? And it is going to be done for something very special that I have basically invested a lot of money into, and I have launched just for you guys, right? Because I have combined the 4-5 years of my trading experience. I have combined the things that has taken me hard to learn, right? And I have actually put together a very simple tool that's going to streamline everything into like an all-in-one. So it's basically going to be your, how do I call it, one-stop center, right? Where everything that you need from a trading perspective, you need your technical tools, you need your analysis videos, you need indicators, you need signals, you need what else, auto trade features, all of that basically in one. We're going to be launching it 2025 within the first 2-3 weeks, right? And you guys on YouTube are pretty much the first one to be finding out about this. The 41 of you guys, right? It's going to be a very limited event because I'm only accepting 150 people, right? And I'm pretty sure that we are about to definitely sell out. So the 41 of you guys here, you'll be the first ones to actually get to know about this. So the moment it's launched, alright, this seminar this is different from what I'm planning to do this month. This month is just a small get together, you know, we just lepak, we just chill, we just have free food together and all whatsoever. That's different. But the one in January is going to be big. Basically, it's going to be me launching whatever I have basically planned out for you guys, and it's going to change the way trading is done, right? And the second reason why I wanted to do that is because I faced a lot of issues with TikTok, and at the same time, streaming on YouTube is great, it's fine, but there's latency. So I've also put together a streaming application inside that, so that we can stream on that one-stop center itself. So it's a lot of things that you guys are going to get, right? And the best of all of that is that it's all free of charge. So you guys got to just have a deposit done, maintain an active account, support me, trade with me, and I will provide all of that for you guys. Sounds awesome, bro. Can't wait. Nice, perfect. WG, awesome setups, learn together, beautiful. Bro, next week got stream. Next week, let's see what news do we have. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday looks boring, right? So Monday maybe I will probably just do a TikTok live. I might not stream on YouTube. Tuesday we'll see that. Tuesday got CAD, CPI. Usually there is a movement for USD as well, right? But for me, whenever I'm streaming, I stream based on the market movements lah. I started off my stream because I was really anticipating the buys to fly, and I wanted to get the majority of you guys to also ride the buys alongside with me. So we'll see. Maybe Monday I won't stream. Maybe Monday I'll do TikTok, right? Tuesday maybe we'll do streams on YouTube again.
Phone send.
Wednesday maybe I will stream in the afternoon. So maybe we'll do a stream during the Euro London session to trade the GBP CPI together. Right, so Wednesday maybe we do an afternoon or evening stream, and then Thursday and Friday, of course, same streams will be the same US session, right? Any exchange to trade BTC. Okay, guys. So I have I think utilized about 4 different. I tried 4 different brokers so far since 2 days back, because a lot of people were trading BTC. I wanted to see what's the whole hype around BTC all about, and it's beautiful. Okay, it's beautiful. It's a very, very, very fantastic pair to trade, especially when you get your high liquidity zones marked out well. It beautifully reacts to your zone, right? So the broker that best recommended to trade BTC, where you can make a good reward, you don't have to deposit such a high amount to trade it, is Just Markets. Alright, so I have tried HFM, I have tried Kato, I have tried PMGM, I have tried Okta, as well as Just Markets. I've tried these 5 different brokers, right? Amongst which the best in terms of spreads as well as the best in terms of leverage is Just Markets, right? I'm not the greatest fan of Just Markets as a broker, but it gives you the best trading condition, it gives you the best spreads, and it gives you the best leverage. So even though there is a lot of problems with that brokerage that I have personally had been in the past, but still in terms of BTC trading, it ticks all the boxes lah, right? So for those of you guys who have asked, I can probably share with you guys the links to Just Markets and how you're going to get yourself registered. If you guys want to trade BTC, I will try. I have never sent a signal for BTC before, so it's all going to be very new for me. But what I can promise is that if enough of you guys already have a Just Markets account, and let's just say there's about 20-25 of you guys that want to trade BTC alongside with me, we will analyze BTC together as well on the live, and we will try to see if we can take some live trades together. So I will be more focused onto live trading BTC than to actually send it as a signal. And the reason why I'd say, because I've never done it before, and the volatility, the movement is very, very fast, where it's got to be like instant execution. If you think gold is fast, then you just go to M1 on BTC and you just see lah. Okay lah. Let's just give you an example lah. Price came down, retested. I don't know what the fuck is this line also. I don't know why I have it, but it retested my line. Alright. This push to the upside within 10 minutes. Alright. Within 10 minutes is 140 pips for BTC. Alright. For BTC. 142 pips. And then from here, this dump towards the downside is another 100 pips. And this is within how long? This is within 11 minutes. So it's very fast, guys. Right, very fast. So if we are right, if we are sharp, our analysis works, we can make a lot of money lah, right? But at the same time, we also need to understand the risks that's associated, and you guys need to understand if you're trading BDC, the volatility can work in your favor or can work against your favor as well. Whatever that happens, it's just the risk management that needs to be worried lah. What problem, G? Just Markets has about 150,000 ringgit of my money, bro, that I made during news like CPI, PPI, NFP, FOMC. I traded those news. I full margin like a $800 account. I full margin like a $1,200 account. I flipped it like 15k USD one time. I flipped it like 8,000 USD. So total accumulatively, alright, over the span of like a 3 months period, I made about 150,000 ringgit only just trading high impact news. But every time I initiate a withdrawal, they sent me an email saying that they spotted some fraudulent activity with my accounts now, and they have decided to tarik balik my profits, and they only allowed me to withdraw balik my capital. So yeah, this was last year lah, guys. Last year, if you guys were with me on TikTok live, you guys would know because I did mention about this before. But last year, maybe about May, June, July, somewhere there. So this has happened with Just Markets before. And the understanding from that is that whenever there is a news, you don't want to fuck with that broker, right? That's the news. Don't use JM to trade. But during a normal London session, normal Euro session, normal US session, it's fine. Right? It's fine. If I register Just Markets account, can I join your private group? Yes, you can. What's the best broker, bro, in your experience? Personally, Leo, I don't have a best broker, right? Because brokers is like this, right? If I give you comparison, broker A, broker B, broker A will have all of these benefits, right? And all of these cons. And whatever the broker A's cons is, you will have broker B that has the broker's A's cons as their pros. So let's just say broker A, the con is it only has 1 to 500 leverage. That's a negative thing about this broker. Broker B will have 1 to 3,000 leverage. That's a pro for this broker. But at the same time, if let's just say this broker A had like a 0.5 pips spread on gold, broker B has like a 2.3 pips spread on gold. So there's too many ways to weigh out what's a good brokerage, but to me it's just stability. Alright, so stability wise, if you ask me, for me, I've used GMI for the longest time. It may not be the best out there in terms of spreads, in terms of leverage or whatnot, alright, but it is the fastest to give me my money. It's the fastest to get me my questions responded to, and I have people inside that I can liaise if there's any problems at all. Alright, so it's probably the reason why it's been 3 years and I'm still using GMI. But on the side, yes, I do use HFM, I do use Just Markets, I do use XAUUSD. This couple of brokers, I do use it from time to time, but my main broker until date is still GMI. HFM is good for news, yes, but leverage is dropped, bro. Right, so 15 minutes before the news on HFM, your leverage is 1 to 500 or is 1 to 200. Right, if you want a high leverage during the news, like a 9:30 high impact news, you want a high leverage broker, then you use GMI. Right? Hi bro, how to read altcoins chart? How to read altcoins chart? Wait XAUUSD Malaysia can bro? Cannot bro. But my dad is from India bro. My dad is an India citizen. Right? So I used his details and I opened up an account there. Right? And I deposit and withdraw in XAUUSD using crypto. So I can use it in Malaysia. It's just that a Malaysian residents cannot register for an XAUUSD account. So yeah, XM and FXTM, what's your view, bro? Okay, so with XM, right, bro, I have never personally had a negative experience before, but I have a group of like Malay friends of mine. These guys are also traders that trade live together. His name is Rizal. So what happened was that they all did live together, like how we did a YouTube live tonight. They all did live together and all of them got like a gold buy, and all of them made profits, and XM got back to each and every one of them, right, restricted their account because of they've noted everyone under the same ID taking the same trade, and that's fraudulent for some reason, and then basically gave them 10 days of a period to get their funds out and didn't pay them off their profits, right? So it's never happened to me. I've even gotten approached before, right? But there's just so many people that I know that have had this kind of experience from XM. I don't intend on experiencing it myself, bro. FXTM, I've only heard good things about it. I've never heard anything bad about it. But XM, I have like negative people saying bad things about it to me, and they showed me proof. They showed me the email, and I don't know why they even do this in the first place, because they are one of the biggest brokers that has the most amount of liquidity out there. But yeah, that's my view, bro. I'm using GM right now, not bad. The withdrawal within 30 minutes. Yes, withdrawal is perfect. It's fantastic. Right? Even until today, I still use JM. That BDC trade that I took just now was done on JM. And yesterday night, I withdrew. Within about 12 to 15 minutes, my funds came in. Right? It's just that if you are using just markets, guys, you do not want to trade the high impact news. Anytime the market is going to move more volatile than usual, don't trade using JM. Because they will either hang your server, you won't be able to log in into your MT5, or there is a chance that whatever money that you make during the news, they might not give you. Because I have had that experience before. GMI can be accessed from Singapore. Cannot, bro. Right? Because Singapore, their SC is pretty strict. So the license to operate in Singapore, GMI doesn't have. But for Indonesia, for India, for Japan, for Korea, for Brunei, all these other countries can. Singapore cannot. Singapore, if you are, means then you got to use just markets, bro. Right? For Singapore clients, you can either use just markets, you can either use Okta, you can either use TMGM. One of these three brokerages also can. GM news don't lag also now. I think they update the server. Oh, that's a very good news lah. That's very good news, Sarah. TFDIE and IC. I tried GMI and DM and tell you. Boleh, bro, tak ada hal. Because for me right now, right guys, I'm more towards the guy who's just focused on safety. For me, if my funds is saved and secured, that's good enough. Right? That's good enough for me. Hey guys, I said I was going to give you guys another 7 more minutes. It's 14 minutes already, and I've been on stream for about 2 hours and 12 minutes. So I think I'll end the stream here. If you guys have any questions, you want to try just markets out for you to trade BTC, like how I'm doing right now, then just text the admin directly and get the link of just markets. It's beautiful. It's really nice for you to trade. Let me just see if I can pop it up very quickly. Wait How do I do that? Wait, let me see if I can change this. Okay guys, so you see here, this is just markets, right? And this was basically my trades done today. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me just zoom in a bit, alright? Let me just zoom in a bit. So these were the trades that I took on BDC today. And you guys can see down here, deposited 25, alright? And I made a profit of 250 USD today, right? And these were all the trades taken today. Right, very quick, like first one was like about 100 pips and then 60 pips all the way down. Right, and as you guys can see over here on the left hand side, if you guys look at the top, right, if you guys look at the top for just markets, let's see here. So on BTC USD, their spreads is about 1.5 pips to 3 pips. It flexes, it changes around that range. Right, so within 1.5 pips to 3 pips for BTC. For gold is 1.1. It doesn't change. It doesn't go up. It doesn't go down. Right, so it's nice. It's okay. Okay, we keep our sell trades if it flies to 2570 to 2590. Can we keep our sell trades if it flies to 2570 to 290? The idea right now for gold is definitely for us to look for sells, guys. Right, we definitely want to find an area to sell. It's just that we want price to go and test out the breakout first, right? So the breakout level that price needs to come and test right now is at 2590. So if it comes there, then the idea would be for us to look for a sell setup after 5-6 hours of price ranging in that zone, right? Lepas tu dia akan bagi momentum masa US session. Maybe price will enter the zone during like Euro session. Masa US session pukul 9, 10, 11 malam je, mungkin dia akan start running, because that sell yang kita dapat anywhere from 2590, 2580, or even 2600, that's 1,000 pips potential. Alright, that sell has 1,000 pips potential. It might just be the one to create a daily lower low, to break below the daily structure. So dia tengah retrace je sekarang. After the retracement sudah siap, once kita dapat the sell again, cubalah hold. We try our best to hold. This fella legend. Right? True bro, my account went MC on just markets during high impact news last week. Dia memang masa-masa news tu is, if possible, avoid, right? But if you still okay to use it, then just go ahead lah. But I would suggest you during news kita guna GMI. Because GMI during the news, if you guys pakai GMI Edge, right? GMI there's MT4, there's MT5, and there's also GMI Edge, the application, right? Kalau korang pakai GMI Edge masa news untuk tekan, kalau korang tekan, if you guys enter the news 1 minute before the news, or 1 minute after, 2 minutes before the news, or 5 minutes before the news, your leverage is still 1 to 2,000, right? That's a hack. On MT4, they reduce the leverage. On MT5, they reduce the leverage. But on their app, they forgot to reduce their leverage. Right? So there is a broker that still provides a 1 to 2,000 leverage. That means you got 50 USD, you can enter 0.5. You got 100 USD, you can enter one lot 1 minute before the news on GMI. But you cannot use MT5, you cannot use MT4. You can guna GMI Edge, right? Which is the website that I showed you guys last time. So they don't reduce the leverage. So if you want to capitalize, you can capitalize. Will that work in the UK? No bro, it won't work in the UK. So UK has very strict regulations where any brokers, they aren't allowed to provide any leverages more than 1 to 500. That's the max you can go if you're a UK citizen, right? So it's pretty sad if you were to ask me, but that's the regulations there bro. You cannot have a brokerage with anything more than 1 to 500 leverage. HFM also withdraw fast. Yes, very fast bro. Within 2-3 minutes, yes, yeah. HFM, GMI, Just Markets, Okta, these 4 brokers all withdraw memang cepat, withdraw fast. Give you feedbacks for an awesome week. Hope I can keep up my consistency and money management. Thank you so much, Azif. You have been the most consistent person in sending me feedbacks. You have no idea how much I appreciate you. Keep it up. What's the name of the broker again for Just Markets? For BTC. Just Markets, guys. JUSTMARKETS. Right, it's this one over here. Yeah, this one over here. Who is this fella? Let's change now. Let's put my face here, guys. What do you say? Yeah, it's Just Markets. Right, so anything, any information, any links or whatsoever, I will share with you guys directly in the channel. Maybe I'll pop up the link in the main Wall Street Academy channel. Potentially bro, we will do that on the last weekend of this month. So maybe on the 29th, either 29th, either 30th or either 31st. Sorry, there's no 31st. Either 29th, either 30 or either 1st of December. We'll do it on the weekend. Right, we'll do it on the weekend. Right, I was supposed to do it this week, tapi this week in the place that we wanted to do it, there's another group that's doing it there. So they clash, and the only time that I have available is the end of this month lah. So mungkin kita akan buat end of this month. I coming from Singapore, right, okay. Bro, no worries, you will definitely get at least a 2 weeks, at least a 1 week notice lah, 1.5 weeks notice. I just need to do finalization, release poster. Which basically will happen by this weekend, and then we will finalize it lah when it will be happening. But I will let you guys know latest also by Monday bro. Latest by Monday, the location, the time, and when it will be. Don't go 11:30. Bro, I got a chow already. I need to go and help Bina a bit. She's doing her live downstairs as well. Lighting a bit kada, so I'm required. Duty calls, I got to go. So I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for joining once again. I hope you guys reaped nice profits for Friday night. Withdraw it, have a good time with your family, and we'll come back again and we'll grind again next week for another profitable week. Peace. Good night YouTube friends. Good night Gadis. 33 viewers.